I'm going to be showing you how to create a signature on MacBook. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. So the first thing we're gonna do is to go to a PDF file that would like to add a signature. So you want to right click on it and click go to open with preview. This is the app we're going to be using for this signature. So I'm just going to scroll down here to a blank part of the PDF. So in order to add a signature, all you can do is basically go over to tools on the menu bar, go to annotate and signature, and click on manage signatures. As you can see, I already have one here, so I'm just gonna click on manage signatures, and then I can just add it. Or if you don't have a signature, you might want to create one by clicking on create signature. Once you do that, you can either use your trackpad or just take a picture of your signature as well. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using my trackpad. So you want to click here to begin, and you can literally just draw in your signature, right, and press any key when you're finished and click on done. So as you can see, your signature has been added. You can basically just drag and drop it. So go back there and just double click on it rather, and as you can see, your signature has been created successfully. Make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.